Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous videos we saw that there's a concept of inheritance in object-oriented programming. Java provides two keywords. One is extends and another one is implements. So we saw how extends works. It needs two classes, two Java classes. Now we have some idea about how interface works. So here it is, the interface with implements keyword. So how you can write the syntax. It says modifier, the class name which implements interface, then implements keyword and the interface name which who is going to be implemented by the class. That's the syntax. And if we talk about example, so that is public interface shape, and that's the method draw which has just declaration, and that's the rule. You cannot define the method body there. You can only give declaration of the method, not a definition. Definition comes from the class which is going to implement this shape interface. So according to syntax, public, then class, square implements the interface shape, and according to rule, the class must provide the implementation. So implementation will come from the child class. Square class becomes child here, and shape becomes parent class here. So shape is parent class, and this square is child class. So that's how it works, guys. In next class, we will implement this whole thing in Eclipse, and we'll go into more detail. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Let's meet in next video. Bye bye.